Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick haul from Walmart and Home Depot. Majority of it's from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It is penetrants and lubricants. Thank you guys for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so like I said in the intro, I went to Home Depot as well as Walmart, and I threw these in here from Walmart into the same video because they're actually identical to what's in here for one of the items. So I went to Home Depot and was looking at their tie-down ratchet straps, but I needed some penetrant to get busted parts off of Sky, the 2000 SR5 that got wrecked. Need to take this, the spindle broke off, but I needed to take some both ball joints, upper and lower, off. I need to take the control arm off. I need to repair the bent mount that's a part of the frame that holds the steering rack. It actually, when the spindle broke off and the rim went flying and it broke the ball joints, it actually, when the steering rack turned and it maxed out its travel, it actually bent the mount back. So the steering rack actually ended up tweaking, kind of facing up at like a 25-degree angle or so. So I need to bend that back into place, and I ran out of penetrants. I was using this liquid wrench, and I couldn't remember if it was PB Blaster or liquid wrench I was using, but this liquid wrench Pro Penetrant and lubricant is some pretty good stuff, and it has a flashlight built into it, which is kind of useful when you're doing stuff in the dark, and it also has a lock, so you can turn this collar. Lock, light only, light with spray, which is kind of neat. And I just couldn't remember what I was using, but I grabbed these big shot cans of PB Blaster, industrial size, and this bottle of WD-40 is completely empty. So I picked up 2 WD-40 cans, same easy reach metal, and you can pop these completely off, put them on a different can if you want. So if I wanted to put this style nozzle on this can, I can. I could just pop this off, put that nozzle on, should be the same. So I picked up 3 cans, that's all Home Depot had. These are like $6 and like 40 cents for a can. I picked up a smaller can just for this nozzle because I could pop this head off and put it on one of these larger cans. This was like $3. And then when I went to Walmart, I found these cans, these 18-ounce cans, but instead of like $6.90 or almost $7 for these at Home Depot, these were $5 at Walmart. Same exact can. So I picked up 2 more, which is all Walmart had. They only had 2 of them. So I picked them up. So now I have 4 cans total, or 5, 3, 4, and 5, plus this little 11-ounce can. I'll more than likely use the 11-ounce can first, and then when this is empty, I'll pop this off, put it on one of the larger cans. But penetrant doesn't really matter, as long as you can lube it to break up some of the rust. I've had great success with the liquid wrench penetrant, the Pro Penetrant. It works really well, pretty quick. And then I just picked up 2 WD-40, just regular WD-40 cans. It's a small little haul. I don't use PB Blaster very often, but I have used it. It works well. I honestly think the liquid wrench Pro Penetrant is a little bit better. It works a little bit faster, but you know, I haven't used this in several years, so, you know, they may have made the formula a little better, because the PB Blaster used to just say penetrant. It now says breaks loose faster, powerful rust penetrating catalyst. It didn't say catalyst before. You know, says #1 selling penetrant. It probably is. Yeah, I use what I have. If all I have is 3-in-1 oil, that's what I'm going to use. If all I have is WD-40, it's what I'm going to use. Whatever I have is what I use normally. But these cans should last a while, especially for personal use. Shop use, these will be gone in like a week. But, you know, it's just a quick video, guys. You guys let me know. You guys like PB Blaster? Do you like liquid wrench? Do you like using WD-40? You know, WD-40 penetrant or WD-40 rust converter penetrant. You know, there's all kinds from WD-40. There's all kinds from PB Blaster. Liquid wrench has a bunch of different penetrants as well. You guys let me know in the comments, which penetrant do you prefer? You know, do you like Seafoam penetrant? You know, Deep Creep? You know, Lucas penetrant? You know, what brand do you like? What do you like the most? Leave them in the comments below. Leave your comments about questions and stuff in the comments below as well. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. I am going to be doing some more Acme Tools, more Ohio Power Tool deal videos as well, because Acme Tools and Ohio Power Tools are sending me their deals of the month information, so that way I can share it with you guys, because I am one of their affiliates. I'm you know, an Ohio Power Tool and Acme Tool affiliate, so they send me deal alerts before they actually happen. So I got to get some of those videos out for you guys. But I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!